Think your air conditioner is freezing your home unnecessarily? One simple temperature adjust could save money and improve comfort today. Increasing your AC temperature doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. It simply helps your system work smarter instead of harder every day. Lower settings force longer cooling cycles, while placing unnecessary strain on important air conditioning components daily. Spurt generally recommend keeping indoor temperature around 78 degrees while you're home during warm summer afternoons comfortable. Choosing the right temperature protects your equipment, lower electricity costs, and keeps your home consistently comfortable all season long together. Every degree higher reduces cooling demand because you're pressing less frequently, lowering energy consumption and mechanical wear naturally. One homeowner raised the setting 2 degrees and noticed lower monthly utility bills without feeling noticeably warmer inside afterwards. Ceiling fans help people feel cooler, allowing higher excellent comfort throughout the hottest summer afternoons indoors. Close curtains during sunny hours to reduce indoor heat, helping your air conditioner maintain comfortable temperatures with less effort. Many people mistakenly believe colder settings cool faster, but air conditioners operate at the same cooling speed regardless, always. HVAC professionals recommend consistent thermostat settings often do so of improving household comfort levels. Use programmable schedules to automatically raise temperatures when everyone leaves and restore comfort before returning home every evening. Small thermostat adjustments, better airflow, and smart habits together create noticeable save without sacrificing any indoor comfort throughout summer. Choosing the right temperature protects quick costs and keeps your home consistently comfortable all season long together.
Found these cooling tips helpful? Like, subscribe, comment your favorite setting, and share this video with friends and family today.